lento yobukhansela ne-ANC iyasetyenzelwa. It's not for free. Action plan we have adopted, we presented in Johannesburg. And President gave you the marching orders. Na debate ukuthi President who endorse IDA. Na debate ukuthi uGwede uthi anina capacity ningodololo. Manje, comrades, we are not going to explain statements. Kukwabantu who blew that talk of the president among us here out of proportion. Because they want to sustain this thing that uRamaphosa, hey uRamaphosa, umntu wabelungu. uRamaphosa inkokeli eqotho ye-ANC. Siyazela emzabalazweni. Abantu abamonyulayo bamlanda estratweni ezenzela ibhizinisi. Azange ancenge ukuzoba inkokeli. Namlanda lapha eBloemfontein. Thina nasishaya sashiya izicathulo lapha. Namenza upresident, udeputy president. Leyo angeke ngiyikhohlwe ngoba kwashaywa mina lapha. Ene ngiyayazi ukuthi uRamaphosa azange ancenge ukuba inkokheli. He was nice having a job yoba i-NEC member emnandi kabi. Namlanda wabetraywa by the same people abamlandile. Bona laba bantu bamlandile, abanye babo wababuza uRamaphosa maka bemnyule eBloemfontein wathi maningenza i-deputy, what happens? Bathi uyanyuka up. What up? Wayibamba uMatamela kuthiwa ndiyanyuka mos. Wanyuka nyani. Wanyuka. Kanti laba bantu bathanyuke bayamkhohliswa banabantu baba babafaka epoketeni. Ithema bafuna uba unleasha yabahlula lonto. Upresident has served 2 terms, uyaqedela kule term. Angiyazi noba nizomfuna kuyelandelayo, but akhonto emnqandelayo. Masiyekele kweloso sikhathi masizayo.